How to pay with Cash App in store without Cash App card. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can easily pay with a Cash App in store without Cash App card. In order to do so, firstly locate the QR code. You can find this QR code near the register or the checkout counter, or you can talk it out with the merchant itself. Then launch a Cash App. Make sure that you have installed the Cash App on your device and that you are logged in. You might be needing your biometric to get past through the login process for your own safety. Once you have logged in, at the bottom you might see the option of scan the QR code. Use the QR code scanner within the Cash App to scan the store's code. After that, you can enter the payment amount. Input the amount you wish to pay, then tap on Confirm Payment. Review the details and then confirm the transaction. Please note that not all stores might accept Cash App Pay, so it's best to check with the merchant beforehand. For alternative, you can also use Apple Pay or Google Pay if you have one. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.